Let me tell you about DrVoIP, who the company is, what the focus is, a little bit of history, give you a feel for what our professional service offering is. The company was founded in 2008. Essentially, we were system integrators selling, servicing, and installing business communication solutions built on Cisco and ShoreTel. That was our bread and butter back in 2008. Voice over IP solutions are about as good as the computer network they're built on. So having a quality computer network was a requirement for voice over IP deployments. For this reason, we were network engineers as well as competent telecom engineers. We built local area networks, wide area networks, and used these foundational building blocks to deploy voice over IP solutions. As the market matured and we started looking at more and more cloud solutions, we saw the Amazon Connect service offering by AWS, and it seemed to us that that was the future. And so we began to focus exclusively on AWS in general and Amazon Connect contact centers in particular. Building out the contact centers requires expertise in a wide range of technical disciplines that are far outside of the contact center. For example, building chatbots, doing software integrations with client CRM solutions, custom applications. It's just very hard to find a call center that does not have a CRM or a practice management software package that needs to be integrated into the call center. Our credentials include being a Amazon consulting partner since 2015. We were one of the first six named here in the United States Amazon Service Delivery Partner in 2019. We're certified by Cisco, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft in the core areas that we demonstrate expertise: voice over IP, wireless, collaboration, and security. We've worked with a wide range of customers from startups to publicly reporting companies. No project is too small, no project is too big. We think we've seen it all. And I think as you define your call center, working with someone who's experienced with many call centers, you get the benefit of having someone who can tell you what works, what doesn't work, and share with you experiences gained by deploying these various call center solutions in different industry segments. Amazon is interesting. You're going to pay per use. You pay for what you use. Most of the solutions in the marketplace today require licensing. You know, count up the number of agents in your call center, multiply by 150 bucks per month for an agent desktop license. You know, if you've got a call center with 100 seats and you've got three shifts, that's 300 agents, that's 300 licenses. You can see the cost escalating, whether before you even made your first phone call. In the case of Amazon Connect, you're going to pay for what you use. You're going to pay a 0.018 cent, less than 2 cents a connected minute from the time a phone call comes in to the time the call is terminated. Obviously, you have your carrier costs on top of that, but as it relates to the cost of the contact center, you're going to pay only for what you use. There are some real advantages to the Amazon solution. One of the ones that I find most urgent is that this is a platform that's not shared with anybody else. This is a platform that is yours exclusively. And this opens up opportunities that if you're on a shared tenant solution by another supplier, meaning, you're got a cloud contact center, but you're on a platform with, a couple of hundred thousand other companies. It gets hard to do anything, uh, customize an application uniquely for you because it's going to affect everybody on that platform. In the case of Amazon Connect, the platform is yours. You're the only one on it. Redundancy is just inherent in everything that Amazon does. Amazon Web Services are typically deployed in regions, and regions have multiple centers within them, availability centers, and typically a deployment is going to span these different regions and availability centers. There's some 657 AWS services that you can easily integrate with your contact center. Did you want transcriptions, recordings, translations? Do you want speech recognition? These are all services available in Amazon Connect that can be integrated into your contact center, and you're only going to pay for what you use. So again, I would point out, I think the carrier charges across all of the providers in the marketplace is pretty close. You're going to pay for a telephone number and you're going to pay for minutes on that telephone number. But your actual call center charges are just 0.018 cent a connected minute plus whatever other services are integrated in your solution. The Amazon Connect, I think you could probably have a reasonably competent business manager could spin up a call center in short order. Uh, but, to go beyond, the basics, you're going to need expertise in a wide range of technical disciplines that include networking, that include storage. You're going to be building a call center. I like to think of it as a box of Legos that you can pretty much build whatever you want, provided you can, if you can envision it, we can make it happen. And we'd love to work with you and help you build out this solution that is custom tailored to your company and your requirements. Typically, in a deployment, we're going to work with you to hammer out the design. We're going to have um, a discovery meeting. We have planning documents. We're not just going to throw you a bunch of documents, tell you to fill it out, and get back to us. We want you to use the documents principally as an education tool. This will help you understand some of the decisions that we all have to make to get your call center defined. So we'll do a series of workshops with the stakeholders. We'll begin the deployment of the design, the agreed to design, and then we'll work towards training both your agents and the administrative resources, technical resources that need to be in place to support the call center going forward. We're available to support your call center. Um, I should point out that when we build a call center, the billing of that call center is between you and Amazon. We're not acting as an agent in the sense of reselling the service. You're retaining us to design and build the call center. Once it's in operation, the ongoing billing is between your company and Amazon Connect. We can be available for ongoing technical support or customizations or just general care and feeding on a contract basis. So, what are you looking at? A simple call center. And what's a simple call center? We're talking about a call center. Let's say it's got 5 incoming telephone lines and phone numbers ring directly to customer service queues, or phone numbers ring to an interactive voice response menu of options. Press one for this, two for that, or if you like speech recognition, uh, We set up customer service queues for you. We set up routing profiles and templates that you will use going into the future as you grow your call center, adding agents and routing options. We provide callback from queue. We provide voicemail. And typically, we can get a small call center up and running in about 3 days. We like to tell you a week to testing, a couple of days for testing, training, and then you can schedule a go live. The options that can be added to the call center, obviously, larger call centers uh, are going to take a little longer, but options across the board are pretty much the same. Do you need language support? Do you need speech recognition? How about voicemail, SMS, transcription, translation services? Are you going to integrate a website and provide keyboard chats or click to call? Are you going to have email, SMS, and even video in your call center? What are the CRM integrations that we need to integrate with? We have a library of solutions built on DNIS or the number that someone called to reach your call center. So this is just an overlook at kind of a budgetary view of a small call center. Roles and responsibilities is something we need to agree to at the start of a project. We're going to gather those requirements through those workshops I previously discussed, and we'll have an agreed to statement of work, and then we'll get through the implementation, training, test, and turn up, and like 3 to 5 days for your go live. So I hope that this helps you understand our approach to designing and deploying and supporting Amazon Connect call centers. If you got questions, send an email, give us a call, whatever works. We're anxious to help you achieve your call center vision. I hope you found this informative, and I thank you for viewing.